have a good night?
Yes, we do.
Yes.
Yes, we did. Yes, we did. Right? Did you have a good night? Yes, I did. Right? Yes, I did. Did you sleep well? Yes, sir. Yes, I did. Right? Est-ce que nous t'es dormi bien? Did you sleep well? Today, what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna be reviewing the vocabulary that we saw last time about the apartment building. Can somebody tell me what apartment building is? What is apartment building?
It's an apartment where
It's a big building.
big building.
Yeah, it's a big constructions. It's so many apartments, so many rooms, right? So yeah, that's an apartment building. So what does that mean, superintendent?
Superintendent.
Let's review. What does that mean,
Someone-
superintendent?
Someone who take care of
Of a building,
a building.
or someone who is responsible of
Business.
of a business, like a building, right? So like many apartment, right? It's a,
Company.
yeah, if someone want to rent an apartment, so you talk to him, so he's the one to talk to. Okay. What about unfinished apartment? What does that mean, unfinished apartment? It's unfinished apartment.
That needs some furniture.
More, even some more furniture, some more stuff, right? It's not complete, okay? It's an unfinished apartment. C'est-à-dire un appartement non meublé, pas vrai? Un appartement qui pas complet, okay? All right. So we talk about studio. What is studio? We can say studio or apartment, okay? You can say studio or apartment. Okay, look at the studio and apartment. And we have a laundry room. What is a laundry room? Qu'est-ce qu'un laundry room, monsieur? Your laundry room. This is where you go to have laundry or to wash or to have your clothes washed, right? Okay, that's good. Laundry room, c'est côté où on lave radio. Perfect. This is a place you put your clothes on, and the laundry machine, and then you have your clothes washed, right? That's good. Let's say, what does that mean, basement? What is a basement in the house? Like, where is the basement? It's a lower level. It's a lower level, right? In a house, right? C'est ça que côté niveau qui plus bas dans la basement, right? Basement. Okay. What is a lobby? A lobby. Lobby. It's it's a hallway. It's a hall. It's a big space, right? It's a hallway. Okay, t'as que yon grande entrée, vrai? Yon hall d'entrée, yon grande salle d'entrée. Pour les ça lobby. Okay. So, bon temps de nous. Répétez-moi ça avant de commencer, aller dans l'autre chose. On allez. Can you repeat the vocabularies for me, please, before I move to the next one? Number one. What is number one?
Storage space.
Number one is a storage space. A storage space is where you store your stuff, right? Okay, you put your stuff that you don't need for now. Okay, you might need them later. You put them on a space like you store them somewhere, right? That's a storage space. Okay. Number two. What is number two? Number two is a dumpster. Where you dump your garbage. Where you put your garbage, right? Dumpster. What is number three? Superintendent. Superintendent. You know what a superintendent is, right? Tout le monde connaît ça, un superintendent, right? C'est un surveillant général, okay? Like somebody responsible for a building. Okay, stairs. Number 4 is stairs. What is number 5? Pronunciation. What is number 5? Is it furnace? What is a furnace? Furnace. Funo. Exactly. That's where you warm up, right? It's like a place you go when you feel so cold. You put some fire, and then so you can warm it up the house, right? It's a furnace. Okay, it's like a fireplace, right? A furnace. Funo. What is a water heater? Water heater.
In the house, you have to heat your water.
Yeah, to heat your water, make your water warm, right? So, café de l'eau chaud, right? So, water heater. Number 7. What is number 7? Pronunciation, c'est? Basement. I'm not basement now. I'm in the basement. I'm at the basement, right? You got the low, you are at the lower level of in the house, right? Basement. Okay. Number 6. What is number 8? A parking space. A parking space is where you is a space you park your car. Good job. Studio, we can say studio, apartment. Number 10. Repeat number 10 for me. Number 10. Tenant. A tenant. A tenant. A tenant. A tenant. Okay, what is a tenant? Locataire. En français, c'est locataire. Ou bien someone who rent you a house. That someone you rent your house from is your tenant, right? It's your tenant. What is a roommate? En français, c'est colocataire, mais en anglais, qui ont qu'à expliquer ça? It's somebody you share, and everybody says someone you share the same room with. Okay, someone you share the same room with is your roommate. Vous ne partagez même chambre avec son roommate. Ok. Quelquefois, les pas obligé même chambre quelquefois non. Dans building ou appartement, on doit avoir porte ou là. Vous partagez même comme si nous avons même espace pour nous servir, donc même kitchen, même cuisine, nous avons même salon, mais nous dormons dans chambre différente. Ça c'est un roommate bientôt. D'accord? All right? Okay, we got different rooms, but we are in the same space. We share the same. Yeah, you can't say housemate and roommate. You have the même chambre. Yeah, exactly. Mais quelquefois, nous connaissons les roommates tout. Ils disent, ah, roommate, mais c'est pas même chambre de dormir, vrai, non? Mais ils sont dans le même cas. Ils sont dans le même appartement qui va séparer. So, même porte, Vous verrez là, roommate. But sometimes you say it's correct. If you in the same house with them with that person, okay, sometimes in the same room with that person, we can say this is my roommate too. Okay, my roommate. Okay, in the house, in the apartment. Thank you. Number 11. No, number 12. Repeat for me. What is number 12, class? Hallway, for example. This is a hallway here. When you come to Workers Project, you see the hall that you come to the office. This is a hallway. Son corridor, parfait? Hallway. Let's continue. One bed apartment. Give me this somebody. One bed apartment. One bed. What is a one bed apartment?
It's an apartment has one bedroom.
Yeah, it's an apartment which is having one bedroom. Okay? Un appartement qui a un seul bedroom, ou bien une seule chambre à coucher. Alors, bedroom, c'est chambre à coucher. So, one bedroom apartment. Sometimes you can need an apartment which is having two bedrooms. I need an apartment with two bedrooms. Avec une besoin appartement qui a deux chambres à coucher. I need an apartment which is 3 bedrooms. Okay? 3 chambres à coucher. Okay? Alright, and so on and so forth. And so on, and so forth. Let's continue. Air conditioner. Let's go. An air conditioner. You this about it? Air conditioner. An air conditioner. That keep the house cool, right? Really nice because sometimes the house is really hot. So you need an air conditioner to cool up the house. Air conditioner. Ça signifie climatisé. Let's continue. A workout room or a gym. What does that mean, a workout room? This is a place you go to work out or to exercise. Okay, to keep you in good shape, right? Just like me, right? Just like Jillian. He always in good shape. Look at me, I'm a flat screen guy, right? Just like him, right? Yeah. All right. So balcony. Let's go. A balcony. What is a balcony? Ça signifie balcon.
A little place.
It's a little place in the house. Outside, you can look at outside, not inside in the house, but outside of the house. But you can just hang out, right? To meet some air, to look at the
Drink
views,
some wine.
to drink some wine, to sit with your little boo, right? You talk about, you see the view. Oh, this is a nice sky today. Oh my God, I like the moon. Hey baby, come back. Oh, look at it's raining. Right. That is lounge. It's a balcony. A courtyard. What is a courtyard? A courtyard, it still be a yard, right? C'est la cour. Vous savez, la cour. Ok? Courtyard, c'est la cour. D'accord? C'est la cour. Mais quelquefois, on dit yard, quelquefois, on dit courtyard. Okay? So that's where you work, right? You're around your house. You're around your house. Let's continue. A laundry room. We talked about that already. A laundry room is a place we go to do your laundry. Monsieur, nous connaissons un laundry room. C'est un côté où on lave. Comment on dit ça en créole?
Laverie.
Oui, on lave, oui. Bagay côté où capable. Lavande. Oui.
Buanderie.
Buanderie, français, c'est buanderie. Ok, mais créole là qui aime dégarer là. Côté où la vérade.
Lessive.
Côté où fait lessive. Exactly. Okay. That's a place you wash your clothes. Okay, let's continue for fire escape. A fire escape. What is a fire escape? Mais répétez ça de fire escape. Un fire escape, ça c'est côté, les problèmes là, ça fait. Des problèmes difficiles venir, ça bien ça fait. You can escape. Vous sauvez. Ça veut dire escalier de secours. Escalier de secours, pas ça? C'est comme si des problèmes difficiles dans cas là, vous taillez pour faire. Fire escape. Okay? What we mark fire escape, right?
It's a road.
Yes, it's exactly. This is a when you say you escape, that you do sauver, right? Maybe. So a fire escape is a place that you go like running.
Escape.
You escape.
Danger.
Okay? From danger, not from me. My name is Wesley Danger, but not from me, from danger, from fire. Okay. Unfinished apartment, we talked about that already, right? It's it's an apartment which is having not all the furniture, not completed. Okay, unfinished apartment. A lobby, it's a big hall. Son gros hall, par exemple, c'est un lobby, son entrée, son grande salle d'entrée, ça veut dire lobby. Let's meet at the lobby. Okay, let's meet in the lobby. Okay, now we're going to the lobby. Okay, you can wait for me. We're gonna meet later in the lobby. Okay, elevator. Elevator. C'est ascenseur. You don't want to take the stairs. You are kind of like you don't know.
To go fast.
You wanna go faster. Exactly. You wanna go faster. You take the elevator. Ça veut dire s'ouvrir aller plus rapide. To go faster. Répétez ça maintenant. To go faster. Let's go. To go faster. If you want to go faster, you take the elevator. Okay. A revolving door. Répétez ça maintenant. Revolving door. What does that mean, revolving door? It's a door that's turning around like that, right? Sometimes you go some places of hotel, right? You go some markets, and then you have a revolving door. Vous entrez là, et puis vous n'entendez pas virer. Right? Revolving door. Okay? Okay, let's continue. A doorman. It's the person who stay at the door to welcome you, right? Okay, the person who sees it's a kind of portion. Okay, to receive you. Okay, it's a doorman. The person you le portier en français. Vraiment c'est portier. L'homme à la porte, son doorman. So it's somebody who stay at the door to receive you when you come. To welcome you. Exactly. To welcome you. Pour accueillir you. Okay, all right, let's go. Peephole. Souvent, peephole là sont petits tout petit. Ok, vous pouvez regarder mon cabine. Mon peephole. And do you have a peephole in your house? A peephole. So mon a vini là, on a fait un petit garder dedans. C'est tout ça, son peephole. Ça y est, peep là c'est peephole. Et comme c'est people, like peephole. Okay, it's a hole for the peep. A peep hole. Yeah. It's a peep hole. Okay, a door chain. A door chain. Repeat after me. Door chain. Let's go. Door chain. A door chain. What is a door chain? It's a chain at the door. Okay, it's an extra security, right? It's extra safety for the door, right?
Security door.
It's a security door. It's a extra, like the door is closed, but they have another chain around the door. That's a door chain, okay? Chain, c'est chaîne, d'accord? Chain. Okay? Chain, comment on dit chaîne? Chain. So door chain, c'est une chaîne à la porte, okay? That's a chain in the door. Okay, let's go. Deadbolt is a kind of lock. Son sort de clé. Deadbolt. Son sort de clé. It's a lock. Okay? It's a lock. Okay. Door knob is it's kind of like the same door, like kind of like different than door bolt. But an intercom, it's like where you can make some callings, for any emergencies stuff. It's an intercom. A key. I need a key. Do you have a key? A key. Okay. If you want to open the door, you need a key. Okay. If you want to open the door, you need a key. So besoin ouvrir porte là, ça besoin. Besoin une clé. I need a key to open the door. Or the door is closed. You're supposed to have your key in order to open the door. Okay? Okay. But we have key for cars, right? Car keys, right? The car keys. I need a key for the car. Also, I need a key for the door. Okay? Okay, like number 32. The ground floor. Repeat somebody. The ground floor. Repeat after me. The ground floor. Floor, c'est parquet. C'est de côté de la machine. Sont là. OK? Les m'a parlé de first floor. C'est premier rangé. Premier étage là. On a dit premier étage en anglais. First floor. First floor. Allez-moi. First floor. For example, you go to the first floor. You go to the second floor. If you don't go to the second floor, you might need a stairs or an elevator, right? If you want to go to the second floor, first floor, you don't need a stairs, right? But sometimes in the second floor, in the third floor, fourth floor, this building was really high, really tall. Again, construction tellement haut. You n'importe 20 combien d'étages. Laisse avoir besoin elevator, on va besoin stairs. Souvent me fait exercice après escalier. Même t'as comme même là pas bête à courir elevator. I never do that. Yeah. All right. So first floor, repeat after me. First floor, second floor, third floor, fourth floor. Quand on a mis avant l'autre mon venir, ça fait beaucoup m'gal quitter. And I didn't know repeat the vocabulary, so you are going to repeat the vocabulary by yourself. I'm just going to be listening. Okay? I'm going to listen to you. Go ahead. Now, commencez now, number 1. You're going to start from number 1. Storage space. A funny thing, a storage space. Yeah, storage space. A dumpster. A superintendent. Ou bien a super. Comment on dit ça? A super. Stairs. Faut mettre S là, c'est pas ça. Stairs, non, mais c'est stairs. Furnace. Ah, donc, gardez mon déa, monsieur Fonti Campé. Gardez mon déa qui va répéter. On va le faire répéter. On allait répéter. On va apprendre de 1 à 6 mois. Demandez, on a commencé à mettre le contenu de 1 à 6. We are listening to you. Let's go. Storage space. Dumpster. Superintendent. Super. Stairs. Furnace. Mm-hmm. Water heater. Mm-hmm. Water heater. 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 Okay, now let's continue. Everybody. Number 7. A basement. Mm-hmm. Number 8. A parking space. A parking space. Mm-hmm. A studio. Uh-huh. A studio. Mm-hmm. Or a studio or apartment. Apartment. Mm-hmm. A tenant. A tenant. Uh-huh. A roommate. Yes. Mm-hmm. A hallway. For now, I speak Ashla. Hallway. 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 Mm-hmm. Hallway. A one-bedroom apartment. Mm-hmm. An air conditioner. Mm-hmm. A workout room. Mm-hmm. Or a gym. Mm-hmm. A balcony. Mm-hmm. A courtyard. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. A laundry room. Mm-hmm. A fire station. No. Sorry. A fire escape. Mm-hmm. Sorry. And an unfinished apartment. Mm-hmm. Apartment non meublé, pas vrai? A furnished apartment. Mm-hmm. A lobby. Lobby. An elevator. Mm-hmm. A revolving door. A domain. Mm-hmm. A peephole. Mm-hmm. A door chain. Mm-hmm. A deadbolt or a lock. Mm-hmm. A doorknob. Mm-hmm. An intercom. Mm-hmm. A key. Mm-hmm. The ground floor. The first floor. The second floor. The third floor. The fourth floor. Good job. And we'll listen feedback. Role play with a partner. One of you in the super in this building. The other is looking for an apartment. T'as qu'on nous cap font petit jouet comme si c'est nous qui a dans building là. Moi nous t'a vinn checker moi c'est super internet là. Yeah, ouais. Ou même c'est mon cap looking for an apartment. You are the person who looking for an apartment. You just ask me a question, right? Like for example, is there a laundry room? Is there a laundry room in the apartment? You ask me whatever you want to ask here. Ask me some question about my building. Can you try to ask me some question about my building? Allez, essayez de poser une question de building. Madame, qui sont besoin dans le building? Est-ce qu'il y a tel bagage? On prétend que madame si mon bagage nous connaît l'appartement. Hein?
Is the laundry room?
Yes, there is. Yes. It's in the laundry room. Yeah, there's a laundry room. It's in the basement. Other questions?
Balcony?
A balcony? Yeah, we have a nice balcony. Yeah, nice balcony.
Laundry room?
Laundry room? Yes, we have a laundry room. We have one. We have one in the main floor. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. What do you want in my building? Do I have air conditioner? Yes, we have a nice air conditioner. We have both. We have in the basement. We have air conditioner. We have another air conditioner yet for the first floor too. You know, you don't have to be worried about that. Yes, good air conditioner.
So another question: your house has a courtyard, a big courtyard?
Yeah, we have a big courtyard. So yeah, so you got many kids, man. They can play. We have in the backyard. We have like a little ground, like soccer field. So we have a nice pool over there at the background. Yeah, okay. What are the things you need? Lindsay, Lindsay, what do you want in the building? For my building.
Your building or mine?
Yeah, mine. What do you want?
Tenant?
I am the tenant. I am the tenant. I am the tenant. You can ask me for a tenant. I am the tenant. You are my client. You're looking for an apartment. So
The house has a workout room.
yeah, we have a nice workout room.
That
Yeah.
I like so much to do exercise.
You to do exercise, yeah, that's good. It's me too. So sometimes I don't have to go to a big gym outside, you know. So we have a nice workout room at the basement. You go to the basement, and that's where the workout room is. So you can work out, yeah.
How many floors?
How many floor? This is we have 3 floors. So I don't know, like we have three different floor. I don't know if you wanna be in the first floor, or if you wanna be in the second floor and the third floor. So which one you like? I'm gonna take you to the first floor first. After that you can visit, and then I'm gonna take you to the second floor. And when you finish to look at all the rooms, so I'm gonna take you to the third floor, so to see which one you like best. Okay, if you want to be at the first floor, the second, or the third one, you can choose. Yes.
So I would like to permission. I need permission to go out with John Joseph.
John Joseph?
Yes.
Yes.
I will come. I will come.
You will
I
come
go
back.
out with him to help them. To help him.
Okay.
In the DOT.
Oh, you're gonna help him at the apartment in DOT.
Yes.
Okay, you have a driving test today?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Good job and good luck. Good luck. See you later.
We're gonna see you another day.
I will see you another day. Thanks for helping him.
God bless you.
Yeah, you
Have a
too.
good day.
You too. Yes. Have a great day. Mm-hmm. Lydia, I mean, Shelanzi, what do you want in my apartment? What do you like to see in the apartment? What are you looking for? Like, what kind of space? What kind of stuff you want to see in the apartment? What do you want?
Parking space?
Yeah, we have a parking space. It's like the garage. It's not a big garage. How many cars do you have? Do you have? Do you have a car?
No.
You don't have a car, so do you need a parking space anyway? Yeah, you need it. Do you dream to have a car? You think about having a car? Okay, all right. Yeah, we have a nice parking space for you. Yes, we do. Okay. And Mr. France, what do you like to see in the apartment?
Is there storage?
Yeah, we have a storage. Yeah, we have a storage space, and then it's in the back. It's at the back basement, so you can store your stuff. Yeah.
Okay.
Do you want me to take you to the storage space now?
Yes.
You wanna see it? Yes, I want to see it. I want to see it. We really will. I want to see it. Oh, can I see it? Allez, can I see it? Can I see it? Can I visit? Est-ce que je peux visiter? Comment est-ce que je peux visiter? Can I see it or can I visit it? Okay, let's go. That's good. Let's go to house and garden. House. Do you want to wait? Okay, what do you want to see? What's your name?
Oh, you forget my name?
Oh, Wilkinson. Mr. Wilkinson, my friend, right? Yeah, Wilkinson. What do you want to see in the apartment? Do I have? Which one? 2 bedroom. You want a 3-bedroom apartment?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. It's not here. I have many apartments. So I got one in Jessup, I got one in Waterloo, and I got one in Cedar Falls. The one in Cedar Falls have more. So if you want me to go with you, we're gonna take you there. All right, so that's good. Okay, house and garden. Well, in the house and garden. Repeat after me. House and garden. Allez, house and garden. Ça veut dire house, c'est maison. Garden signifie jardin. House and garden. And repeat after me. Different cultures have different kinds of houses. Different kind of houses. Allez-moi, different kind of houses. Different kind of houses. Allez-moi, different cultures are different kind of houses. Different kind of houses. Vous prenez la prochaine émission, allez. Different cultures have different kind of houses. C'est-à-dire différentes cultures, qui ont différents types de maisons. Different cultures. Comment on dit culture? Culture. 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 Comment on dit culture? Culture. Si je dis c'est culture, par exemple, dis. My culture. Vous avez une question? Do you have a question?
My culture.
Oh, my culture. Yeah. Haitian culture. Allez-moi, Haitian culture. Allez-moi, Haitian culture. Elle dit culture haïtienne. Haitian culture. My Haitian culture. Okay. North American. Allez-moi. North American. North American. North American. North American houses often have yards with lawns. People cook on the grills and relax on a patio. On a patio, porch or deck. Ah, another deal for California. Go by yourself. Different cultures have different kind of houses. North American houses often have yards with lawns. People cook on a grill and relax on a patio, porch or deck. Ah, faut habituer à ça. Est-ce que nous allons lire encore après ça on a posé une question pour nous comprendre ça veut dire. Different cultures have different kind of houses. North American houses often have yards with lawns. People cook on a grill and relax on a patio, porch or deck. Ça blanc dit là. What did they say? Ça veut dire different cultures have different kind of houses. Différentes cultures gagnent différents types de maisons. C'est pas vrai? North American. What does that mean, North American? North American. C'est-à-dire, Américain qui sont dans le Nord. Entendez? Si je dis North America, c'est Amérique du Nord. North America. Ok? Mais si je dis North American, c'est les Américains qui viennent du Nord. D'accord? North American. Houses, often have yards. Class, what does that mean, yard? Yard signifie cour en français ou bien la cour en créole, pas vrai? That's my yard. My yard, I'm in the yard, ça veut dire dans la cour. I am in the yard. Ça me dit là? I am in the yard. Elle dit je suis sur la cour, dans la cour là. Are you in the yard? Yes, I'm in the yard. En anglais, il y a un bagage que le front yard. Front yard, là, c'est la cour devant. Front yard. Il y a la cour derrière, c'est backyard. Bon, m'écris ça pour nous. Peut-être nous ne doit pas habituer à thème ça. Front yard et puis backyard. Front yard. La il y a des gens qui mettent dans la cour, qu'on mettait jardin. Comment dire le jardin? Garden. Comment dire la cour devant? Front yard. Comment dire la cour derrière? Backyard. So do you have a backyard? Let's go get a backyard. Yes, I do. Yeah, I have a backyard. So a nice backyard. Do you have a backyard in your house, in your apartment? You have a backyard? Do you have a backyard in your apartment? No, you don't. Do you have a backyard in your apartment? You do? Do you have a backyard in your apartment? Like you can play, you can have fun. Like, do you have a garden in your apartment? A garden? Garden. No garden? No garden. Okay. So, you dis North American, yo, monsieur, avec moun qui nan maison qui dans Amérique du Nord, yo toujours gagné ça yon yard. Yard signifie la cour. And with lawn. What does that mean, loans? Loan.
Pelouse.
Loan signifie pelouse ou bien gazon. Vous voyez, monsieur? Gazon. So, let me faire vivre boy ici, mes amis. Moi-même, là, on lawn mower, non même? On lawn mower. Ça veut dire on lawn mower. On lawn mower, c'est une machine pour couper gazon. Yeah, un lawn mower. So, you mow the lawn. You have to go in to mow the lawn. Ça veut dire, you like ça dans là, moi-même là. Comme il faut une machine, on lawn mower. Qu'on a les gars, pour m'a couper tout gazon, ça. Et ils sont job tout dans les cas. Some people mow the lawn for people to make money. Right? So, you don't have a job, somebody might just like give you this little part-time job to mow their lawns for them in order to make some money. It's okay. It's okay, right? You make money. So, do you like to mow the lawn? Est-ce que vous aimez mow lawn? We're going to no. Do you want to mow my lawn and I'm going to pay you? Yes. Okay. All right. But in the house, maybe if you have a wife, sometimes you can help your wife, or your wife can help you to mow the lawn too, right? I can do it, she can do it. So I can mow the front yard, she can mow the backyard, right? So we can mow together, okay? So, l'on parle de lawn signifie gazon, de lawn. Comment on dit gazon? Lawn. Allez, ouais, lawn. Lawn, c'est gazon. Mow the lawn. Okay? People cook on the grill. People cook on the grill. What do you understand? People cook on the grill. Moun yo ki sa? Cook. What does that mean, cook? Cuisiner, faire manger. C'est pas vrai? People grill. Cook on the grill. Grill. Allez, répétez ça, the grill. 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 Grill là, c'est comme si. That dit. Il y a marqué grill, mais prononcé IA tant coup E. Vous dites grill. I like to grill. C'est vrai? I like to grill. Ok? Grill signifie gris. Oui. Mais griller, c'est ça. Comme une machine, qu'on fait barbecue. Okay? If you want to make some barbecue, right? You need a grill. Okay? So, besoin de faire barbecue, a besoin de grill. Pas vrai? Okay? You want grill pour capable faire barbecue. Okay? You need a grill. Okay? And relax. To relax signifie se relaxer. Pas vrai? Détendre. Now, détendre-nous. On the patio. Patio. What does that mean, patio? Patio, c'est un indoor, it's an outdoor, it's a kind of outdoor porch. It's an outdoor gallery. We can say a patio or gallery. Okay? C'est une petite galerie where you can, li pas dans le cas là, non? Li dehors cas là, nous mettez table, petite table et puis une petite table dans mi-temps, nous capable chita là pour nous relax, non? Gazebo? Yeah. Je suis capable de penser ça, mais je suis capable de faire nous ça. Je connais thème là, ou dire là, mais patio, let me show you what a patio is.
En architecture, le
Gazebo?
gazebo.
Gazebo en architecture, ok. So, et comme si, je connais le nom?
C'est une sorte de petit bagage qu'on fait dans la cour, ou ouvrir, ou détendre en balle.
Exactly. We're capable de détendre en balle. Exactly. So, we call them patio. It's a patio. A patio is like a kind of gallery. It's a kind of gallery outside, outdoor. It's an outdoor gallery. You can sit there to eat or to relax. You understand? Est-ce que nous allons chercher un patio? On va chercher l'image là pour nous. Un patio. Ok, monsieur. Monsieur là, tant qu'on a regardé là, this is a patio. Vous voyez? On sort de petite galerie, pas d'air pour carré, relax. Vous voyez? It's a patio. A patio. Okay? A patio. Okay, let's continue. To relax on the patio or on the porch. Monsieur, t'as dit, a patio is a outdoor gallery. But porch is inside of the house. Porch là, il veut en dedans là. D'accord? Yon porch. Elle porch. Porch. Patio. Patio.
Patio.
Porch.
Porch.
Okay? C'est comme si I'm on the porch. I'm sitting in the porch. And then chita sous galerie. Porch ou bien galerie. Mais c'est une c'est inside, indoor, une c'est outdoor. Outdoor gallery, we call them patio, but indoor gallery, we call it porch or gallery. Okay? You understand? No comprendre? Okay. Gen deck. Monsieur par contre si nous contacte les deck là. Deck là OK. Nous connaissons quel côté nous avons mettre un deck, son sorte de bail qui fait en bois. Ou ka marcher sur les temps step, mais il y a des gens qui mettent dans dos caillou tout pour capable c'est comme si son une galerie et tout. D'accord? Ils mettent les fait en bois. Vous comprenez? Ou ka chita sur l'eau, mettre chaise ou mettre petit tabou pour relax. This is a deck. Bon chercher image pour me montrer nous. Let me show you the picture of a deck.
Moi, dans quelques anciens carrés, dans la ville, moi, comme ça, ils n'entendaient pas qu'on gagne.
Ouais, et t'as pour ça en bois. Qui gagne un pile deck. Ouais, monsieur. Deck. Let me see. Picture of a deck. Give me a second. Give me a minute. Give me a second. I'm going to show you what the deck look like. It's a little. You got it? Okay. Okay. She got it before me, man. Let's see. Yes, exactly. Son bagage comme ça qui fait en bois. D'accord? OK? Et deck. OK? Ou ka marcher sous lui, ou ka sortir sous lui, ça c'est un deck. OK? For example, you see it, right? Nous avons un deck. This is a deck. Ouais, gen kay ki gen kay pa gen. Ouais, nan kay la, mais pas derrière bon espace en bois, yo fait. Et comme si son petit balcon, mais c'est son balcon espace en bois que yo fait pour ka marcher, ou ka chita, ou ka fonti. Et comme si son patio et tout, mais c'est un deck, yo le deck. OK? All right. Parce que yon patio différent de yon deck, pas vrai? Yon patio is an indoor. A patio is a outdoor a place where you can sit to eat or relax. But let me see. A porch it's an indoor gallery, but a deck it's a place outside of the house made in wood, like a wooden place and wooden constructions, so you can sit and relax. Okay, this is a deck. Let's go, class. Next step. Some Arab and Mexican houses have courtyard. Arab and Mexican houses. Ça veut dire quelques maisons arabes et quelques maisons mexicaines. You gain ça veut dire courtyard. Okay, you gain la cour. Pas vrai, monsieur? Even windows are different from place to place. Even windows. What does that mean, windows? Fenêtre. Même fenêtre, là on dit even windows, ça veut dire même les fenêtres, even windows, même les fenêtres sont différents l'un des autres. D'accord? From place to place, de endroit à endroit, pas vrai? From place to place. In France, let's go repeat after me. In France, windows are open like doors. En France, fenêtre yo ouvri tant kou porte. Enfin, moun ki de fenêtre yo ouvri, même qui de porte yo ouvri. In France, okay? In Greece, in North Africa, windows are often painted blue. That's one information plus, right? This extra information. Learning. Like in Greece, en grec, in Greece. Ça veut dire comment dire grec, c'est Greece. In Greece, in North America, c'est-à-dire North Africa, c'est Afrique du Nord. Pas vrai, c'est North Africa. C'est dit South Africa. Sud-africain, mais c'est dit North Africa, c'est Afrique du Nord. Windows are often painted blue. Qui ça veut dire? Windows yo toujours peinturé yo en bleu. They painted in blue. OK? So on va passer dans notre level là, monsieur. Extra vocabulaire. A chimney. Repeat after me. A chimney. Chimney. Chimney, c'est la cheminée. Vous voyez? Mon qui fait architecture, mon qui fait construction, comme ça, la cheminée. La cheminée, c'est, do you know, in the house you have something called fireplace. Vous voyez? Dans le cas là, on va dire fireplace. Sans fireplace, non, c'est côté où on fait du feu. Vous voyez? En droit, là, côté nous capable mettre bois ensemble, vous voyez? Wooden yo, et puis nous fait du feu là. Vous voyez ça pour qu'à chauffer. Vous voyez? Vous voyez ça? Chauffage. Chauffage. Okay? A fireplace. But when you do that, there's a lot of smokes who go from the house outdoor, they go to a chimney. Wè ça me dit? L'on fait ça, qu'on a là, quand on dit boule bois, on tient à côté puis la fumée a sorti dans le là et on la cheminée. Vous voyez? The chimney. Okay? That's where all your smokes from the house goes out. Okay? Nous d'accord? Nous allons montrer nous si nous voulons gagner une photo de your chimney. Your chimney picture. Okay? Ça c'est la cheminée. A chimney. Oh my goodness. It's gonna take a little bit of time. Si nous sommes avant moi, nous allons regarder lui. Chercher nous allons chercher l'image là, mais ni, moi gagne là. The chimney. Ouais, ça c'est fireplace là, et puis côté chimney, hein, c'est côté du fer sortir. Ok, this is a chimney. Comment répéter ça avec chimney? Chimney c'est là la cheminée. Ok, number 2, an attic. Repeat after me. An attic. Attic. Ça c'est le attic là, monsieur. Attic. Le grenier, c'est comme si ça le galata encore là, pas vrai? Attic. C'est un galata, son grenier. C'est là où on peut mettre un petit, quelques petits bagages, on peut mettre quelques petits bagages là, pas vrai? Du coup, quelques bagages je stocke c'est là, pas vrai? Ok, it's attic. Number 3 is a skylight. Skylight. Répétez ça de skylight. Skylight. Qui j'aime ça dit? Skylight. Mais on skylight, ça va presque skylight, non? On skylight là, moun qui fait la construction, donc on a côté on mettait on série de vitres dans caille là. Bloc de verre là, où on mettait pour faire rayon soleil là entrer dans caille là. Woo, you got it, sir. Exactly, ça un skylight. C'est comme s'il fait mettre lumière sur les lanternes dans la là à travers bloc de verre là pour éclairer là, mais c'est pas une lumière liée. C'est natural light. Okay, come inside of your house. We need a skylight. On va des gens qui fait sky là mettre plusieurs skylights pour éclairer en dans là. Parfait? That's a skylight. Number 4, repeat after me. A root. Root là c'est racine. Ce qu'on plante là, the root c'est la racine. The pot that is in the ground. The pot that is in the ground, this is the roots of the fruit. Okay? The roots of the plant. Okay? Ça c'est la racine de la plante. The root. A deck. On n'est pas de deck là déjà. Ça me dit non. C'est comme si son petit step, on fait un bois. Vous êtes capable de chita sous lui, vous êtes capable de marcher sous lui pour sortir dans le cas là. Ok? Comme ça, vous êtes chita sous lui, vous relaxez. Ok? So this is a deck. It's a wooden place. They make it in wood, so you can step on it like a stairs or to go out. Okay. Let's go. A grill. Repeat after me. A grill. On fit là, nous mariés là, avec Madame Lubin, besoin de grill pour dire, je dis à Lubin, besoin un barbecue. Ok, besoin un barbecue, besoin. Il y a quelques viandes toi cuites. You want to say griller. Okay, you need a grill to cook your meat, some kind of meat, some kind of barbecue. Okay, like some stuff. Barbecue. Oh, where to meet it? Where with a grill? Oh, barbecue. Barbecue. Do you like barbecue, class?
Yes.
You do? I love barbecue.
Yes, I love barbecue.
You love barbecue too? You do? Okay, barbecue is great. You don't like barbecue? Yeah, so he doesn't like it. So do you like barbecue? You do? Chicken barbecue? Kiss of the barbecue. Yeah, okay. Thank you. Let's go. A hammock.
Hammock.
Monsieur, Sartijan. On a les mots prononcés de hammock. 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 Hammock, là, c'est une sorte de balançoire.
Hamac, bah, il connaît comme ça, hamac.
Oui, on dit hamac, ça c'est français, mais hammock, c'est prononciation anglaise. Ok, on a des hammock. Hammock. Hammock là, c'est une sorte de swing, on bagaille vous mettez pour balancer dehors, qui fait avec filet. Oui, tellement, oui, il y a des gens qui choisissent de dormir sur un hammock. Some people choose to, like, you relax, right? You put it, you tie it against two poles, like that. You can get two poteaux, this poles, and that pole you put your hammock. Ok? Il fait un filet, tu vois? Un filet, ok? Mettez mon bâton tout là, balancer avec hammock. You need a hammock to relax, right? So that's good. Alone ou bien et grass. Attendez ça, vous êtes capable de dire lawn, vous êtes capable de dire grass. You can say lawn, you can say grass. Okay? So sometimes you need a lawn mower to lawn your grass or to mow your lawn, right? So I'm going to need a lawn mower, a machine that you can do. You can mow the lawn. That's called a machine you lawn your lawn is called lawn mower. D'accord? Machine que vous utilisez pour capable couper gazon, le lawn mower. But ça va couper c'est un lawn. Okay? Vous capable dire grass too. So I dire lawn, I'm going to cut the grass or cut the lawn. Okay? All right. J'espère que nous sortir là, nous sortir avec tout comprendre, nous avons besoin de caser. Okay? Now let's go. A window. Okay, window. You know what a window is, right? A window. Yeah, fenêtre. Next, a shorter. A shorter. What is a shorter? A shorter, it's like when you shut your door, you have something you put on the back of your door to make it beautiful or to make it safer. We call it shorter. But let me show you what a shorter look like. Can we go together? Go type shorter. Shorter. Yes, you got it. It's shorter. Yes, exactly. And the back of your window, you put it in the back of your window for more safety or just for beautiful. Like make it beautiful. It's a shorter. You put it par derrière fenêtre. You put it behind your window. Vous voyez, c'est une sorte de belle, on belle fait, pas vrai? Par des fenêtres là. It's a shorter. Okay, thank you. Let's continue. A door. This is a door. This is a door. This is a door, right? Let's continue. A doorbell. When you come to my house, I can I have a doorbell. You can ring the bell. Okay, you ring the bell. Sonnette. Okay, ou capable peser sonnette là. A doorbell. You need a doorbell, right? So people don't like. They like. Right, a doorbell. You need that one. Okay. All right. A porch. Repeat after me. A porch. I'm sitting in the porch. So you come from work. You don't have you wanna just like be quiet, right? You just go to the porch, you sit on the porch. Okay? Galerie. Steps. Monsieur, steps. It's exactly what I was explaining to you. It's like a deck. It's kind of like a kind of when you step. It's sort of steps. Okay? So like you step in. You walk machine. So you fais pas. A step, c'est un pas. One step, c'est un pas. Two steps, c'est deux pas. Okay, but a step, it's like you just like walk, right? That's a step. Make one step, two steps. Okay, c'est côté au marcher. Step simple. Okay, garage, a garage, a garage, 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 garage. What is a garage? Say that's where you park your car in your house. This is a place like you park your car. It's inside, right? A garage. Garage. A rake. Mr. Witness, a rake. A rake. A rake. A rake. A rake, c'est un rake. What is a rake? A rake is like some tools. It's a kind of tools that you use when you are cleaning. When you are cleaning your yard, okay, you use a rake. Rake là, c'est un râteau. Râteau, c'est ça? Râteau. Something. It's a kind of tools you use to clean your yard. Okay, what utiliser pour nettoyer. So ça veut dire rake. I need a rake. Do you have a rake, Mr.?
Yes.
You have a rake in your house when you're cleaning? Do you have a rake?
No.
You don't have a rake? You need a rake. You need one. Do you have a rake, Shalanzi?
No.
You don't have? You don't have a rake? You need one. You need one. You might need one.
I use it to clean leaves.
Yeah, to clean your leaves, you know. The
grass.
leaves, and the grass. Exactly. So that's you need a rake for that. Okay. Mon qui besoin manger nous toi chercher pas vrai? Vous quoi pour là? Est-ce que c'est pas manger mon acheter là dans moi sortir?
On est.
Oui, dis que ça.
Eh mais dégagez non mais 30 ans pour manger qui mon qui sort pour manger vite jeune manger l'autre monde doit manger. Allez. So nous on t'a pour ça ou bien? OK t'as prêt? You already take your food? What about you?
No.
Do you want some food? Do you want to take some food? Or you want to sit in the class? Vous voulez aller? Ok, allez, go. Go right. So, on 5 minutes pour ça? Let me give you 5 minutes, okay? Okay, sorry. So, I'm going to take a break because they're going to go get their fruit. They're going to go get their food, so I'm going to take a 5 minutes break for them to be able to get that. I don't want them to go empty stomach. So, when they go home, they got the English, but they don't have food. Okay, all right. Sounds good.
Everybody out in the hallway?
Yeah, that's everybody.
This is
Just except
everybody?
one person. Yeah, this everybody too.
Rain.
Right.
Well, we'll have to kind of do this every day for a while.
that's why.
Yeah, until they get used
Yeah.
Every 3
Cause like all the people that went to Birch, I'm hoping that they'll hop into the evening classes.
Mhm.
So we'll probably fill up fast.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's why we need to start with the number right now.
So,
Yeah, the little snippets are good. Yeah. So I've been taking those and sharing them on LinkedIn. So that's helping us get more traction and stuff. Yeah, especially in that more professional area where people are really like seeing that stuff.
I like how they went to sleep on the couch.
Yeah, this relaxing. It's very relaxing.
You could be asleep in
You
class.
just like we can just relax in the class.
You could
Yeah.
just be like, what?
Don't
I'm
worry.
taking a nap.
Yeah, let me take in a nap.
Yeah,
no.
taking a nap.
Yeah. Mhm.
Yeah, I thought I saw several lying down with the food. Well, good. It's good to see you.
Group or something.
Yeah, we might.
You know, we could just
So
chat.
everybody
We
knows
could
that.
just do a quick chat, like.
We can do that.
Yeah, but we can tell them, and anybody who wants to sign up today, they can come talk to me, but.
I'm excited. It's like, I'm getting my library card. Like, all right, we'll take it. You can go and you can set the room. You know, so we have to be there. So we'll carry on. Suggest we change the bylaw for this public meeting.
Okay, guys.
Alright.
Oh, jeez.
We got it.
It was a big class on Tuesday though.
Yeah, big.
Huge.
It was a big class on Tuesday.
We
So
took,
like,
there's quite a few people at Birch now.
yeah. Oh, they working.
They
They're
took
working.
them.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's
yeah.
good.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so a
so
lot
you
of them
would've
are, I took
lost
them
some of
out.
your-
Yeah, so they could,
Yeah,
we'll
that's
talk to them
good.
though, we'll make this video and put that to them too.
Okay.
Yeah. Alright, well, we're gonna be, at the end of the month, we're gonna be changing some of the classes. So this class will end on April 25th.
Classe ça l'a fini dans 25 avril. Classe là l'a fermé ou l'a fini 25 avril.
And we're going to start new class. We're going to start a bunch of new classes.
Nous allons commencer avec une bonne l'autre nouvelle classe.
So we're going to start a new class here that's going to be like a community orientation. It won't be just English. It will be a bunch of things.
Ok, nous allons commencer notre classe après les en community orientation, orientation pour communautaire. Donc, il n'est pas seulement anglais, la plusieurs bonnes l'autre classe.
So, so what we'll do is, if you're interested in continuing English, it will be on Zoom.
Et ça nous va le faire, si vous continuez vous intéresser avec anglais, c'est sur Zoom là pied.
And then we're also going to have another class.
Et puis nous allons l'autre classe.
It's going to be like culture integration. So if you want to read through, you can kind of tell them the topics we're going to cover.
Il dit que c'est une classe après l'intégration culturelle. C'est premièrement soit bien Welcome to Waterloo. Il va parler de Waterloo. Il va parler de health and wellness, santé et bien-être. Il va parler de finance. Il va parler de transportation, et puis il va parler de housing, parler de appartement. Ok, il va parler de workforce, bagay qui a un rapport avec qui j'en vous capable légal dans le pays. Il va parler de digital literacy, il va parler de alphabétisation digitale. Donc tout ça aussi ça cap gagner toutes ces bonnes classes ça va gagner pour nous.
So our goal is the class has gotten too big.
Objectif non c'est que classe là vient trop gros pour nous.
Not today, but
Pas aujourd'hui, quand ça vient trop gros.
Our goal is to make it so that each of you students can get a dedicated time with the teacher and get a certificate when you're done.
Ça nous besoin faire c'est parce que nous avons fait chaque an nous pour nous un temps spécial avec professeur pour le capable à la fin leur fin nous ca un certificat leur fini. Donc il dit un temps pour se passer spécialement pour ça.
So if you're still new to the area, like less than a year,
Si ou son monde qui fait venir dans ville là, ça veut dire que vous avez moins que une année boy ici ya.
you're welcome to come to, this will turn into an orientation of the Cedar Valley
OK,
class.
ça c'est pour libéral venir tourner une orientation dans Cedar Valley. OK, son classe d'orientation dans Cedar Valley, la différent.
And that will start May 6th.
Et on a commencé avec nouvelle classe là le 6 mai. OK, mai 6. Classe a fini le 25 et puis la classe a commencé le 6 mai.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So over the next week or so, we'll talk about this more, and we'll have a chance for you to sign up. So if you want to sign up for the Zoom classes, I will be available for anyone who wants to choose.
Il dit comme ça, si vous voulez enregistrer pour classe anglais sur Zoom, non, ou après rejoindre avec Karen, la va enregistrer pour ça, si vous même intéressé avec ça.
Okay. And you'll have time this week and next
Et
week.
pour bien temps pour faire ça, ni semaine ça, ni semaine cap venir.
And
Okay.
then we'll take that week off, and then
Et
we'll be
puis
starting
après ça, nous
again.
allons prendre une semaine off. Après ça, nous allons commencer le 6 mai encore. Alors, dans la nouvelle classe, ça, nous allons parler de yo là. Nous pas si vous voulez inscrire pour yo, ou inscrire pour yo, ou capable participer là-dedans. OK? Vous
And then
comprenez?
hopefully we'll be able to get everybody. Well, there's been so many people.
L'idée que espérément nous capable de joindre tout le monde. Je dis là, il y a une petite classe, mais nous connaissons qu'il y a un pile monde. OK? Un pile monde. So, il dit, le message l'a passé autour de semaine ça, l'autre semaine, like, jusqu'à ce que tout le monde attendait le même message là.
Right. And the Zoom classes you will have to be registered for, where previously we weren't making them register. And we still, for the Tuesday and Thursday, they will only register for transportation, but anyone can come still on Tuesday and Thursday. But for Zoom classes, they must register.
Il dit pour classe anglais qui a sur Zoom, non, faut qu'on inscrit même. Si vous pas inscrit, vous pas participer là-dedans. Si vous pas inscrit déjà, vous pas être tout pas participer là-dedans. Mais pour l'autre monde qui l'autre qu'on va gagner on a dit jeudi yo, n'importe monde qui venir mais pour ça, faut qu'on inscrit pour nous qu'on va là-dedans, pour nous garder contrôle.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Est-ce qu'il va payer pour inscrire?
Are we gonna pay for registering?
It's
For
it's
this
still a
system?
free class. We just want you to commit to the days that you're going to be coming.
Mais problème là, c'est toujours une classe qui est libre, si vous pas payer $1 pour lui, mais il veut que ou bail tête ou dédié tête ou dit ça m'a toujours venu et m'a manqué un jour. en classe. Si pas un problème. For example, what time that class can be because we assign for work.
Right.
We don't know what time that gonna be.
So the English is either morning 9 to 11 or evening 6 to 8.
Classe anglais, il y a 9h pour 11h si c'est dans le matin choisi, ou bien 6h pour 8h du soir si c'est dans la classe Zoom, soit le travail, dans le matin.
Et si vous avez choisi dans le matin, et vous jouez au travail, est-ce que vous pouvez changer ou vous
So how about if I choose morning class
Uh-huh.
and then I find a job right now and then I need to change it to the evening class?
We can try to switch your class if possible. Yes.
Nous quand essayer switch dans la classe là si possible oui.
Yeah.
Oui.
Yeah.
But how about the other classes?
Which ones?
Like the orientation.
The orientation, right now, I only have morning available, but we plan to open an evening slot.
Pour classe orientation, nous seulement gagner matin seulement disponible pour Konya. Vous comprenez? Mais nous avons pensé pour nous capable de faire pour assurer tout à l'avenir. Pour classe orientation, ça. T'as qu'on va parler de tout ça, me dit là.
So we'll let you know.
N'a
Yeah.
fait connaître ça.
Yeah.
À qui l'on a commencé les lignes à assurer.
We're trying to make it easier for everyone to get the information.
So, nous avons essayé de faire le plus facile pour tout le monde capable de joindre l'information qu'il a besoin.
Yeah.
Mhm.
But at the same time, we still want you to be able to feel like you can come here anytime on
Mais
Tuesday and Thursday and
nous
get help.
voulons dire que vous pouvez venir dans mardi avec dans jeudi pour chercher aide ou besoin librement. Dans mardi et jeudi. Gens qu'on a habitué. D'accord? Librement.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So, okay?
OK?
We'll put everything in the group too, so you have all the dates. Yeah.
So, nous mettons tout bagay ça nous dit là dans le groupe anglais, dans le groupe là, pour capable gagner toute date, toute information que vous besoin gagner tout là dans le groupe là.
Yeah.
N'a posté dans le groupe là. OK?
Yeah. So don't worry, we still get to see
Ou
you.
pas besoin peur, n'a toujours pas besoin peur, OK? Pas besoin peur. Yeah.
Zoom n'a commencé le 6 ou bien?
Is the Zoom class starting in May 6th as well?
One of them is starting, so your, let's see, Zoom we have right here. May 6th, the evening one is starting.
Okay.
And then in June, we'll start the morning one.
Et en juin, on a commencé classe dans matin, hein? Morning, on a bien, mais pour mai, c'est Zoom a commencé en mai. D'accord?
Yeah.
All
But to
right.
give Danje a little more time to get out of school.
Il dit comme ça, faut le bon petit temps tout pour faire un petit classe, relax et tout. Parce que faut me finir l'école, faut me l'école tout, faut me finir classe mais tout pour commencer avec moi. Okay.
And you guys still can register for, I just want them to know Hawkeye is still registering as well. So there's
Et
other options.
gen l'autre bagarre tout, gen l'autre option. Akai Community College at
Yeah.
Learning Center, li toujours fait inscription tout sous intéressé wal dans Akai pour apprendre anglais dans Akai tout ou ka aller ou ka commencer inscrire tout là puis après inscrire tout pas de problème.
Même si ce sont débutants ou bien même si ce sont...
Even if you are a beginner or
For
second-
Akai?
yes, for Akai.
Hawkeye can take anyone, yes.
Li di Akai ka prendre n'importe niveau, oui.
Yeah. But they don't have a Creole speaking teacher.
Mais yo pa gen professeur qui parle créole seulement. Yo connaît professeur haïtien bien seulement parler.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Là que vous avez inscrit, est-ce que c'est leur venir inscrire ou bien ou même qu'à inscrire la carte?
So, like, when the time for me to register, am I supposed to come here to register, or I can register from home?
You could do either. In fact, what I'll do today is we'll get this information in the group with the registration link.
Mm-hmm.
And then if she has any trouble, we'll do it in person on Tuesday.
Ok, n'a mette information ça dans le groupe là, n'a mette un link, j'allais dire un lien pour enregistrer pour classe yo. Mais si tu as un problème, bon, on va pas utiliser le lien. Hein. Laisse ça n'a mardi si Dieu veut le venir, n'a pas inscrit en personne. D'accord?
Ok.
N'a parlé de Akai là ou bien Kousa.
Akai là.
Akai.
Hawkeye's
Oh,
also, they have an online link. I can put that in the group
Li di
too.
Akai tout gen un link en ligne tout. Si tu as inscrit pour Akai, pas de problème, n'a mettre dans chat là pour vous capable inscrire là-dedans tout. Pour Akai.
Ok, ou dit que cours ça finit 25.
Kousa la fin n'a mettre fin là-dedans 25.
Est-ce que c'est est-ce que nous avons un certificat ou bien un bagage qui pour identifier nous pour que nous dit que nous sommes dans le cours ça?
So are we going to have a certificate to prove that we were attending this class?
Yes.
Because it's gonna say we finished 2020.
Right. So our goal for the English is going to be to get you up to level 2 or 3 so that you can go to Hawkeye and start at level 2
Rêve
or 3.
nous, c'est pour nous mettre dans niveau 1 à niveau 2 et pour commencer dans Akai à niveau 3 et pour aller. D'accord? C'est
But
rêve nous ça.
Hawkeye always, whether you have a certificate or not, they always make you test their test.
Mais problème
first.
qui gagne dans Akai, même l'autre gagne certificat, mais l'autre pas gagne certificat, de pour aller inscrire, il a toujours passé au test.
Yeah. So.
Il y a toujours passé au test quand même. Même l'autre vient à certificat, comme l'autre pas vient à certificat. Ça veut dire comme ça Akai. Yeah.
That's just what they do.
Ça c'est ça au fait. Et comme ça yo pas n'importe ça va besoin connaître.
Reading and listening.
Et il a fait un reading test et listening test, oui. Il a fait un test de lecture, un test d'écoute et lecture.
Yeah.
Si vous avez besoin d'inscrire pour Akai, faites nous connaître, nous mettez dans l'écran dans le chat là, on peut inscrire.
On ne va pas faire tous les deux ensemble.
Can I take both classes, Akai
You
in
sure?
that class?
Some people, that's up to you. Yeah.
Il dit ça dépend de vous. Si vous voulez prendre deux, après, il dit pour quel temps vous prenez deux.
I heard there's more homework for Hawkeye though, so.
Il dit seulement qu'on est Akai dans pile de voix, il va en pile de voix. Bon, ça veut dire que la baguette on prend tous les deux, pas connaître.
Yeah.
Yeah, ça va dépendre.
That's up to you. Yep.
Ça dépend de où. Ça dépend de où. Vous voulez prendre yo, nous prenons. Vous voulez prendre deux, vous prenez deux. Vous voulez prendre Akai, vous prenez Akai. Vous voulez prendre Lato, vous prenez. Ça dépend de où. Comprenez? Ok? So, pas de problème.
Alright.
Yeah. So,
Okay.
merci.
Yeah, we'll put more information in.
N'a mettez plus d'informations pour vous dans le groupe chat là et puis nous-mêmes n'a orienté tête nous.
No, before you leave, I just wondered, did you want to do sign-ups kind of in this
I Gabe
little
needs me to
time?
pick him up. He just called me.
Oh, okay,
So I
okay.
can't now.
All
But
right.
I think what I'll do is I'll organize it
Yeah.
so that I can
All
be dedicated time for registration next week.
Oh, yeah.
And we'll just dedicate some time and maybe I can find, maybe Zippy could come help
Can
me
help with
Yeah.
registration.
or something with some registration.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
fine. We
I
just
think
talked
we'll
about
do
that a
that.
minute ago.
I
So,
know.
yeah.
Yeah, and now.
No, that's
Yeah.
fine. I'm just
Yeah.
going to thank them for the
Yeah.
amazing couple eight weeks, and
Yeah.
then we'll let them. We can probably dismiss a little early, I suppose, because I don't really have a
Well,
lot. Because I knew we were.
Because I'll be gone.
Yeah,
So-
we're kind of flexible. So,
Yeah.
yeah.
All right. You guys can do some role play English.
Yeah, there you
That'd
go.
be
Yeah,
fun.
we could do that if you'd like to, Danje. I mean,
Yeah.
we can.
Okay.
Yeah.
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 So with
I'll
our
do that,
normal
yeah.
normal things that we do, I knew we were coming with the changes. Thank you for being flexible.
Il dit, il connaît que nous venons avec des changements, mais si est-ce que nous acceptons nous-mêmes flexibles, donc nous acceptons changements yo.
We're just trying to adapt things to make it better for you.
Nous avons essayé d'adapter avec des choses qui nous permettent les plus meilleures pour vous.
And give you opportunities
Et
that
pour
might
nous
be a
capables-
little broader,
Yeah, pour nous capables bah opportunité en tant que frères nous.
and create some of the maybe a little less chaos for everybody, so that everybody gets a better opportunity to learn.
Et pour nous cap créer moins de problèmes parce que pour chaque monde qui a gagné une plus bonne opportunité.
Yeah. So I want to thank you personally
Et
for
moi j'aimerais remercier personnellement pour
an amazing 8-9 weeks that I've been here teaching with you all.
8 soirées que moi été passé avec vous pour me enseigner vous.
And I'll see you again. I know we'll be involved in a lot more things.
Et je crois que nous pourrons impliquer nous dans bonne l'autre bagaille que ensemble.
And it's been a joy and a fun. It's
Et
just fun.
c'était vraiment son joie, c'était vraiment un bagaille qui amusant.
So with that, we can do some role play things if you'd like.
Et si avec ça, si
Improv.
nous capables de faire des roleplay, nous si nous voulons.
Or you can lead the way and I'll get out of your way.
Ou bien, si vous voulez aller tout, pas de problème, ou qu'à aller, mais si vous voulez nous faire un petit temps plus avant, nous capables de faire un petit temps plus avant. So,
Yeah.
qui ça nous voulons?
Good.
We need more time. We can spend more time.
Yeah, you got about 15 minutes. Yeah.
So, nous avons environ 15 minutes. So,
Yeah.
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 Okay.
I just wanted to come make sure to say hi.
L'idée voulait venir seulement pour le capable de dire salut nous, comprendre, pour le capable de dire nous que le thé avec nous dans ça, les fini. Donc nous allons rentrer dans l'autre bagaille. Merci pour tant de passer ensemble. Donc n'a toujours eli,
And thank you for teaching me.
Et merci tout, est-ce que nous même toi enseigner moi, nous enseigner les enseigne de bagaille. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Take it away, Don J.
Okay. So now fini. Oh, we want to finish that.
Yeah, that's good. I knew that she was going to do some talking. I didn't know how long it was going to
exactly. I didn't know how much time it's gonna. That's why I gave her
and I didn't go ahead and make up a big lesson because I knew a lot of people were missing.
Exactly,
for the birch thing,
exactly, because they started working and some people,
so it's exciting.
which is good, which is
Right,
exactly. That's why we are here for, right?
My goal as a coach, because I've done executive coaching and teaching,
Mm-hmm.
is always to work myself out of a job.
Yeah, work yourself out of the job. Yeah,
Because that's when you're leading people.
Mm-hmm.
Your goal is to turn them loose,
to turn them,
not to have a huge
not
following.
to keep them,
Not to
a
keep
follower.
them, right.
yeah, but
Yeah, is to teach them to be
to make them find their
independent.
ways.
Yeah, to find their ways. And so that didn't work out so well for me as a personal trainer because all my people got in shape and didn't need me anymore.
Exactly.
But that was the beauty. That was my success.
En tant que quand tu parles avec en tant que coach, ancien coach, il dit que rêve c'est toujours préparer mon pour faire un meilleur chemin va yo. Les puis fin jeune chemin yo pas besoin encore. Donc
So I will always be praying for you, and you always know that you can come here and we have a safe place
So
where you're loved, accepted, and known.
yeah, so toujours prier pour nous, nous quand n'importe venir là n'importe les nous voulez. Donc là c'est un côté qui est en sécurité, c'est un côté que mon aime nous, donc c'est un côté que mon connaît nous. Donc nous quand venir là n'importe les pour l'autre service yo, comprendre, pour un service que nous besoin.
Yeah.
Mais c'est comme ça va y a changé. Bah oui, bah y a changé de direction, donc sont l'autre gens. C'est toujours même nous même là, à même l'amour, en l'autre façon. Ah oui. Yeah.
So very good. All right. Well, I'll let you take it away and finish up some more English then. All right.
Eh bien, m'a quitté nous pour nous capable m'a connaître si n'a fini anglais et puis ensuite
Spend
ça
the
n'a
last
fait
15 minutes or so.
on a parce que n'a bon un petit minute avec là, ligne 44 n'a fini. Yeah, okay. All right.
Very
All
good.
right.
I'm going to go put these on her desk and check in on some other things. All right.
Okay. So, on nous fini. All right. Yeah. On nous fini parce que nous avons commencé n'a fini à 11h à jeune dévelé pas vrai? Je viens de commencer. On nous prend quelques petits mots avant ba yo virer. Et après n'a pris des petits mots nous et puis n'a pas enrichi connaissance non plus, n'a continué à avancer. OK. So then nous t'es arrivé dans qui ça nous t'es prend driveway, nous t'es prend rake, bah oui monsieur. Nous connaissons driveway. Non driveway c'est côté au drive là, bah oui. Dans côté machine là pour entrer entrer garage là, le driveway. Yeah. So example, can see like you put your car in the driveway sometimes, right? If you don't want to put it in the garage, so you can put it at the in the driveway. Exactly. So you know what you garbage can or garbage can. No one garbage can. It's a can for garbage, right? So when you finish to use your stuff, use whatever your food, stuff like that, you put it in the garbage can, right? So okay. And trash can, we can say garbage can or you can say trash can. No capable dire garbage can, monsieur. No capable dire trash can too. Okay. A yard là nous connaissons la cour, a yard. A garden, nous connaissons garden qui ça lié, c'est un jardin. A patio, nous avons parlé de patio déjà, ça c'est une sorte de galerie qui dehors pour capable relaxer, pour capable parler à amis ou manger, OK? A patio. Nous avons parlé de gate, gate c'est une barrière, a gate, bon, ça c'est barrière, gate. So, là là quand on a un gate ou frapper gate là, mais souvent bah ça tellement bon ici, gate. OK? A fence, nous connaissons fence là monsieur, une fence son clôture, OK? A fence, je vais laisser ça fence, bien clôture. Un edge clipper, nous connaissons un edge clipper, c'est comme si son sorte de baillot, par exemple, on a une plante dans la caillou, ou capable prendre pour capable trimer ou bailler plante en forme, par exemple, tant qu'on sorte de ciseaux lié, il y a exactement tant qu'on forme de ciseaux, capable bailler plante forme, il y a ça edge clipper. OK? Edge clipper. Nous avons wheelbarrow, c'est on bourrette, wheelbarrow. When you finish to use your trash, right? You can put it in the wheelbarrow and take it to the trash, right? To the trash can. Okay. Yeah. Okay. We have another word. It's a garden hose. Oh, garden hose. Ça nous passe donc garden hose. C'est comme si tu bouais au prend pour capable arroser jardin. Ça caoutchouc, à sorte de caoutchouc pour arroser jardin. OK? C'est le garden hose. Garden hose. Bah c'est n'a prendre pile bel petit mot pas vrai. On va l'utiliser au la caille nous. We're going to use them at home. Gain walk away. On walk away, nous connaissons monsieur on walk away. Ça les sont sorte de sentier lié, une sorte de path. It's a kind of path, a walk away. C'est une sorte de sentier. Yo dit sentier ou bien walk path, yo dit path ou bien sentier ou bien walk away. Quand tu marcher en dedans là pour aller n'importe là, pas vrai? It's like you walk from your house to lead you to the door. OK, laisse ça pour aller devant, yo laisse ça walk away. A sprinkler. Sprinkler. So what is a sprinkler? Arrosoir. Même si j'avais la tête là. Arrosoir, un sprinkler. Un sprinkler c'est comme si tu vas mettre dans tête et un tube blanc comme arroser pour capable faire de l'eau plus haut. OK, pour capable jaillir pour faire jaillir to spread the water further, right? So like it's a sprinkler. I need a sprinkler. OK? So you utilize it pour arroser jardin comme ça vous utiliser pour arroser la couteau, pas vrai? Okay, we use it to water your garden. You use it to water your yard. Okay. Nous pourrons parler de qu'on a des garden flower, a flower garden, a flower garden, son jardin de fleurs, a flower garden, son jardin de fleurs, monsieur. You plant your flower there. A vegetable garden. Vegetable. Allez, mais vegetable. Vegetable, c'est un végétal ou un légume. Bah, un jardin de légumes. Vous voyez ça, vegetable garden. Vous voyez? OK? Un vegetable garden, c'est un jardin de légumes. Quand on plante des bagailles pour les feuilles là, vous voyez? OK? Nous allons entrer dans chain link fence. A chain link fence. Ça c'est un fence. Depuis nous fence, nous c'est clôture. Une sorte de clôture qui fait avec chain link. Comme si on fait avec conseil de chain. Comme si on marconnait ensemble. Regardez pour nous. Dans cette image. Let's see the picture. What this picture look like. You know? It's a chain link fence. Okay? Have you found it? You found it? Yes. Noeli? Okay, thank you. That's a chain link fence. It's a kind of fence, but it's just made out of this. Okay? Chain link fence. Okay? A picket fence. Donc on est fence, ça sont sorte de barrière clôturier, mais ça différent. Il fait avec conseil de piquet, conseil de bois. Exactement. Okay? Exactly. Okay? That's good. Il y a une sorte de fence encore qui c'est a bob. A barbed wired fence. Barbed wire fence, c'est comme si c'est clôture qui fait avec barbelé, d'accord? Clôture qui fait avec barbelé, le bob wire fence. Bob wire fence. OK? L'autre bague encore 35 front door, monsieur front door, c'est qui ça? Porte de devant. Porte d'entrée, mais porte de devant. Et front door, un back door, ça veut dire c'est une porte de derrière, mais ça c'est un front door. OK, porte d'entrée. On parle de screen door, il y a un screen door. Nous connaissons screen door. Par exemple, vous avez une porte là, vous avez une petite sorte de vitre qui part derrière porte là. Pour empêcher mouche, empêcher on sait de bagarre là-dedans, il y a le screen door. OK, monsieur? Screen door. So we have a screen, right? At the door. Dernier ça n'a c'est un garage door, monsieur. Un garage. Nous connaissons un garage door, c'est son porte qui est dans le garage là. Garage door, c'est comme si il ferme le garage là. Porte qui ferme le garage, OK? C'est un porte garage. OK. So, dernier bail la fonte parler de lui, c'est there is avec there are. Monsieur, je dis à la me faire tout ça, j'habite ensemble. On va tenir là-dedans encore. Et quoi pas longtemps terminé. Il faut nous gagner au moins. There is signifie il y a. Ah ouais, monsieur. There are. Na fonti grave. We're gonna talk about a little bit of grammar now. There is signifie il y a. Ah ouais, monsieur. There are signifie il y a. So, si je dis il y a, there is used before a singular noun. Répétez ça. There is used before a singular noun. Devant un nom singulier, vous mettez there is, there are before a plural noun. Devant un nom pluriel, vous mettez there are. Bah, monsieur. Si je dis, il y a un téléphone sur table, je dis, there is a cell phone on the desk, on the table, ça c'est table là. There is a cell phone on the table. Si vous avez un dans la classe, je dis, there is a teacher in the classroom. Pas vrai? Il y a un secrétaire dans le bureau, je dis, there is a secretary in the office. OK? Alright? So, si vous avez 2, 4, 6, 7, il y a 7 personnes dans la classe là. 7 élèves dans la classe, je dis, there are 7 students in the class today. Je dis, il y a 7 personnes, there are 7 students in the class today. Regardez-vous avec moi. Choose the correct words. Nous allons choisir mon correct avec comme exercice. Si nous comprenons. Do you understand there is and there are? Do you understand there is and there are?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Let's do the exercise together before we finish because it's 10:53. We have 7 more minutes to go through. Okay, there are a TV. Ça m'a dit. Ça m'a dit there's a TV or there are a TV? There's a TV. There's a TV parce que TV c'est un singular noun. There's or there are 4 chairs in the living room. There are 4 chairs in the living room. Good job, guys. You great, you're fantastic. So, on lui pose une question en anglais avec there is ou dit is there. Ou flip you flip the verb, ok, ou changer. Vous voyez? Changer de position. Ok? There is there. Il y a-t-il. Vous voyez? There are, nous capable de dire are there. Vous voyez? Alright. On nous pose une question devant un nom singulier, on dit is there. Pour poser question, devant un nom pluriel, on dit are there. Pour poser question devant un nom pluriel. Before a plural noun. Let's continue. Is there or are there any windows in the kitchen? Qui ça qui bon là? Are there any windows in the kitchen? Okay. Is there or are there any teacher in the classroom? Is there any teacher in the classroom? Parce que ça c'est singulier. Teacher c'est singular noun. Number 5. There isn't or there aren't any pencil on the table. There aren't any pencils on the table. Parce que aren't, c'est are not. La congrès de are not, c'est aren't. C'est négative forme. Si je dis pas gagné, je dis there isn't devant un nom singulier. Si je dis pas gagné, je dis there aren't devant un nom pluriel. OK. Number 6. There isn't or there aren't any milk in the fridge. There isn't any milk in the fridge. Okay. Number 7. Is there or are there a bookcase? Is there a bookcase? Okay. So c'est cool. Thank you. So, c'est que nous comprenons. Thank you for your time today. Okay, thank you for your time today. And it's that's all for today. I will see you. We'll continue until 25th, okay, and then May 6th we're gonna start the new orientation class. Thank you. Have a great day. Okay, it was good to have you. Okay. All right.